Welcome to the next tutorial of Photoshop. Today we will learn the use of healing and spot healing brush tool. This tool helps you to remove the blemishes, pimples, dark spots or scratches from your photograph or the picture. That means this tool helps you to repair the imperfections in your photograph. The only difference between both the tools is that the healing brush tool will take a sample point to repair the imperfections. That means we will define the sample point and that will be pasted on the imperfections, but the spot healing brush do not need any sample point. It will automatically take the sample from around the area that we had clicked. Now let's see how we can use it. Suppose we are having this image. As you can see that there are a few pimples or blemishes in this image that we can repair by using the healing or spot healing brush tool. But before doing that, I will give you one suggestion that always create a duplicate layer. The duplicate layer will help you to keep the picture intact. Suppose you do not want the changes. If after doing the changes, if you want to go back to the original image, or you do not want to spoil the real image, or you want to keep the real image intact, you can keep that intact by creating a duplicate layer, and whatever changes you will do, that will happen only in a new layer. Now, how to create a duplicate layer? A duplicate layer can be created by using the shortcut key Ctrl plus J. When I press the Ctrl plus J, you can see that there is a layer 1 with the same image. Now, whatever changes or whatever repair we will do, that will happen in layer 1, and the original image in background will remain intact. And you can save it, or you can go back to the original image by deleting the layer. If you find that you had not done the correct work, or you want to go back to the original image, you can delete the layer and the original image will be there. Now let's start to repair that. First of all, click on this healing tool, healing brush tool. Click here. You will find spot healing brush tool and healing brush tool. I'm clicking spot healing brush tool first. Again, whatever the size of this brush tool, that can be increased or decreased by using the square brackets. You remember the square brackets, left square bracket to decrease the size and right square bracket to increase the size. It depends on the area that you want to repair. Suppose healing brush tool will repair the damaged area or pimples by taking the sample from around the imperfect area. That means if I click here, it will take the sample from around this area, that is correct, and automatically paste it over here. I'm decreasing the size a little bit. Now I'm clicking here. See, the pimple has gone. How? It has taken the taken the copy of the sample from around the area that was correct and pasted over there. Suppose I'm clicking here, it automatically take the sample from around the area. I'm increasing the zoom. Now you can see I'm clicking here, again here. Do not drag the mouse. It will spoil your image. Do not drag the mouse. Just click over the imperfect parts or the parts that you want to repair. Now this tool will work very fine if the area around the pimples or blemishes is okay to be copied. But if you find here at nose, if I click here, so again the area around this point is again imperfect. So we cannot allow it to copy it from here. If I click here, there will be no change. There will be not much change because it is copying the area around it that is also imperfect. So for that purpose, we will use the spot healing brush tool by clicking this down arrow, healing brush tool. Now healing brush tool, what healing brush tool will do? It will take a sample source. It will take the source point, or it will take the sample pixel that you want to paste it over the imperfect area. Now you can see that it is having this sample. It is showing me this sample. How we can take the sample? By pressing the Alt key. Now it becomes a target pointer. I am taking the sample from here. Now you can see this is the sample. I am pasting it over here and moving it. You can continuously take the sample. Suppose I am taking sample from here and pasting it over here. Again I am taking from here and putting it over here. You can see how we can remove. I'm taking the sample now. This shade doesn't match with this shade. This area is different. This area is having different color, or now this area is different. So I'm taking sample from here, closer one, as close as you can take the sample, and patiently click over the parts that you want to remove. Continuously click over the part. Remember, do not drag it. Okay, I'm decreasing the size because I'm going to work on the edges. Okay, now you can see that how we had removed the imperfection. Some a little bit is there. I'm going to do it again. I'm taking the sample from here and here. Okay, now it's good. Now you can see that by hiding this layer, this was the original image. I had hidden the layer 1. You can see here this layer panel. I'm clicking the eye icon and it will get hidden. Now coming back, click here. It is showing me the layer 1. Now it is the new layer in which I had made changes. Now again I'm clicking this eye layer to hide it, and this is the background layer which was having the original image. You can see the difference. Okay. Now do the practice of using of this tool at your home. Thank you and take care of yourself.